know you were coming. Hi, my name is Junie B. Jones. My mom and dad have a very special surprise. Bad news, Phyllis! The present isn't in this dumb bunny room either! It turns out the present was just a dumb bunny baby. And that's not what I wanted! I wanted a real present, not just a dumb baby! I don't want a dumb baby! My mom and my dad are fixing up the dumb baby's room. They're putting in wallpaper up, and all over the walls there's monkeys and giraffes and look at me wallpaper with all my monkeys too! I want monkeys in my room! Today my Grandpa Miller came because my mom is going to the hospital to have the dumb baby.
You're just going to love him, Junie B. Your new brother is the cutest little monkey I've ever seen.
Did you hear what Grandma Miller said? My baby brother is the cutest little monkey she's ever seen. My brother's a monkey. My brother's a monkey. My brother's a monkey. My brother's a monkey. I can't wait to be at school because then it's show and tell time and I get to tell the whole entire class that my brother's a monkey!
Children, it's time for show and tell. Raise your hand if you want to go first.
Me! I have very exciting news. My mom had a baby, and guess what? It's a monkey! A monkey! A monkey! A monkey! Well, Lucille gave me her locket, and Grace gave me her sweater. Lucille and Grace both wanted to be the first one to see my monkey brother. And they gave me all that stuff.
Monkey brother, young lady?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to call your Grandma Miller and see what she has to say about that. Hi, Grandma Miller? Yes, ma'am, this is Principal. I've got a young lady that you might be familiar with sitting next to me. Her name's Junie B. Jones. Yep. We've got a couple of issues going on, and I wanted to call and see if you could confirm something. Yeah, she's telling me that she has a monkey brother? Is that true? Listen up, boys and girls. I wanted to talk to you about something. Sometimes boys and girls, like you, say one thing but mean another. Such as the phrase, lucky duck. Some of you might think it's an actual lucky duck, maybe a duck that won the lottery. Okay? But it's actually not. It just means you're just saying that someone's lucky. In this case, one of our students was saying that she's got a monkey brother. Okay? And it actually means not that she has a monkey for a brother, but that he's a little monkey. He's cute, and he hops around, and he's crazy. Okay?
So it all turns out my brother's not a monkey, but he sure is cute.